Final one. We got compliance here. So really, I work with a lot of clients, and every one of them is providing some sort of workplace harassment prevention training or anti-harassment, whatever you want to call it. And I think that's great. That's ultimately, one of the key items there from a compliance perspective. But compliance is more than just workplace harassment prevention, right? So I've listed a couple titles here for you. I'm not going to get into every single one of them, but legal compliance in our catalog, there's over 1,100 titles available to you. Some of those popular titles are listed there. And if you're considering and implementing additional training, these are some of those more used topics, and I would encourage you to kind of have a look at those. And then safety, same thing, right? 700 plus titles. This safety seems to be used less frequently, and I think there's really opportunity, especially in the workplace, to encourage some of the usage here. And I've listed a couple titles here for you that you can take advantage of. But at the end of the day, what is most important to an organization is that the employees know how to behave appropriately so that their coworkers are treated kindly and fairly. Ensuring your employees know how to respond to situations like the ones outlined here can protect you from a loss of capital and brand reputation. So let's look at some of the compliance courses here.
Yes, definitely. So of course, this is a major trend in the L&D space. This is all the content you have to take in order to be compliant with training laws. So we offer multiple different versions of mandated training. So anti-harassment is the most common, and we have different styles in our library to meet those needs of different learners. So we have anti-harassment training, then we have culture civility, and then we also got that expert in there. So Catherine Mattice has a background in anti-harassment and civility training and does this through her company, and she was very excited to get a recorded version to share with learners. So that's just a quick rundown of anti-harassment, but I wanted to get a little bit deeper into compliance and say that, those are what the lessons you might think of, but it really is so much more than that, is what David was saying. So compliance is more than just laws. It's also psychological safety, cybersecurity, and of course, physical safety. And all of these contribute to knowing that the workplace is an overall safe to be. We've created tons and tons of content around this, things that help. Like cybersecurity, like everybody's working from home. So that opens up businesses to cyber attacks. So we've done cybersecurity expert series. We have tons and tons of safety lessons that we've been producing since 2020. And we continue to add content on different laws that affect all different types of workplaces, from casinos to hotels, to outdoor workers, to universities. So that is just quick rundown of all the compliance content we have.